The challenge of harsh environments, monitoring a bridge's health at minus 30 degrees Celsius with no road access. Infrastructure inspections in Arctic conditions are extremely challenging. Arctic bridges endure relentless stress from snow, wind, ice, and heavy trains. Pre-stressed concrete relies on hidden tendons and concrete strength, elements you cannot see. Traditional inspections are expensive, time-consuming, and nearly impossible in remote terrain. At Sosterbeck Bridge, a new monitoring system has been installed. It tracks the bridge's structural integrity and transition zones. Sensors continuously measure deformation, movement, and rail performance. Environmental data, temperature, wind, humidity are captured in real time. Sensor data feeds into digital models and predictive tools. These models assess risk, predict fatigue, and estimate lifetime. With thousands of bridges across Europe, predictive tools can cut maintenance costs dramatically. Europe's rail brings researchers, industry, and rail managers together. Real-world Arctic testing ensures resilient solutions for corridors across Europe. Ofotbanen and Malmbanen, where railway technology is pushed to the limit. If it works here, it works anywhere.